Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Facebook sticker on WhatsApp. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for PicCert app. This app is completely free, so download it right now. Then we will need another app. Search for Stickerly. This is also a free app, so download it right now. Now close the Google Play Store and open your Facebook app. Now search for Avatar. Now tap on Facebook Avatars. And your avatar will load. If you haven't already created one, then create it right now. Then tap on the sticker icon on top right corner. Now select any sticker you like. I'll go with this one. And then tap on more options. Now tap on PicCert icon. Now tap on the arrow icon on top right corner. Now tap on gallery to save that sticker on your gallery. But the sticker is now saved as an image. Now open the Stickerly app. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the sticker you just downloaded. When it is ready, tap Next on top right corner. Then tap Next again on top right corner. And you can add tags as you like. And then tap Save on top right corner. You can create a new pack, or you can also save it to another pack you have created earlier. I will add to the pack I have already created. Now tap on Add to WhatsApp. And the sticker is now successfully added to your WhatsApp. Now open the WhatsApp app. Now open a conversation. And then tap on the emoji icon at the bottom left corner. And here you will see that your Facebook avatar sticker is now available here. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.